Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I'm doing something a little random-ish, kinda. I might throw this on Random Tuesdays. Yesterday, actually, I made this dinner. Just a grilled cheese sandwich with some Steak-Uums, which I got right here. And I said, you know, that was really good. I kind of wish I'd recorded that. So today I will. So I'm gonna make it again because it's dinner time and I'm famished. So get to it. All right, so I'm letting my skillet warm up. Damn near there. I'm gonna cook the sandwich in here, and I had some baked beans, but I'm just gonna warm them up in the nuker. Chef Mike, and I've got just some buttermilk, old-fashioned white bread. I really like a good sourdough. In fact, I prefer it, but it was suggested to me that sourdough bread, instead of actually being sourdough bread, it has like vinegar in it to give it that sour taste. So it's not actually sourdough bread, which broke my heart. I don't know if that's true, but I was like, oh man. If that actually is true, that would be just seriously suck. Oh, here goes Steak-Uums in the pan. This stuff crumbles so easily. Kind of let it have to just let it fall apart. So, all right. Of course, we gotta season everything. A little bit of salt, a little bit of slap your mama. That's Cajun season. This stuff is so thin it cooks up really fast, so and it breaks up super easy. It's gonna happen. It's not a problem. Skillet's going. I'll throw in a pat of unsalted butter. I already got salt in the meat, so I don't need to. I guess you couldn't see that. So I've got a pat of butter while I cook up my Steak-Uums. So I've been doing grilled cheese the last few nights just because it sounded good. Get your butter moving around. Alright. Got your bread. I just have some sliced American cheese. Like I said, I did grilled cheese and tomato soup, so you kind of have to do grilled cheese. I think it's a rule. I kid about the rule, but alright. Okay, meat flipped. But I bought this pan for camping, but I use it at the kitchen quite often. It's been a really good skillet. I wish I had more, but I think I might have bought it one of the last ones. It's not on Amazon anymore. It disappoints me. I got some cheddar cheese here. Can't go wrong with extra cheese. Thick? Probably done. It's so thin it just cooks like super quick. So go ahead and move that to the bread. Try to minimize how much grease you get in there. Oh, come on. You want to move that bread around too so it gets even toasted. Had to act fast because I checked the bread and it was already starting to get brown, or getting done. So you don't want to burn your sandwich or yourself. Ouch! Meat coming out. Unfortunately, I kind of screwed up. Kill the heat. I'll show you. It's out of the pan. Zoom in, show you the next part. No. Anybody who's watched my channel knows that I really like horseradish on my beef, like a lot. So I actually take my horseradish straight out of the jar. I get the extra hot Beaver brand. Get it right on there. Had to go quickly because I was didn't want my sandwich to get too dark. So let me just cut that sucker in half. I gotta still kick my beans, but everything was coming together. Now you're probably wondering, well, did you put any bacon on it? Because I cooked some bacon up. This actually goes in my scrambled eggs in the morning. So I mean, I do love me some bacon. I didn't have bacon on the sandwich yesterday because I only had enough for one portion, for one breakfast. So here's a sandwich. Oh man. Simple, really good. Alright, well, clean cutting board, of course. Really good sandwich. I was actually going to calculate the cost and I totally forgot because I got stuck watching YouTube. But I figured the meat was $3.63, so half of that. The loaf of bread was $2.99, so 2 slices of that. Cheese I think was $2.99 because it was on sale. 2 slices. Horseradish was $2.39 I think. I used about 1/5 of it for my sandwich. A little can of beans, $2.39, so half of this. $5-6 bucks. Delicious. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.